This is day 8 of turning $260 into $26,000, and today I broke every rule. So today's starting balance is $278.04. Risk per trade is maximum 5%, maximum number of trade per day is 5 trades. Stop losses to consecutive losses were 10% of the starting balance. Everything was normal in the beginning, but then I lost control. Let's get to the trades and see what happened. In Australian dollar Canadian dollar chart, price is reaching its resistance level, and it can reverse from this zone for some time. Price gave strong selling confirmation in 5-second time frame chart, and I place a trade with some safety margin. Price didn't follow the setup here, and I have lost the first trade of the session. In Euro Canadian dollar chart, price reaches its recently formed support zone, and I need 5-second bullish confirmation to place a call trade. Here is the confirmation, and I have instantly placed a call trade. We have successfully booked profit in this trade and recover the loss of previous trade. Price reached its recent support zone in Australian dollar Canadian dollar chart. I got bullish momentum here, and I instantly placed a call trade. This was a very close trade, but luckily we have booked profit in this trade also. In Euro Canadian dollar chart, price is reaching its major key support zone, and from this zone we have very strong chances of getting a reversal trade. This was a strong bullish confirmation, and I instantly placed a trade for call side. This was a very close trade, but unfortunately, we have lost this trade by a small margin. In Euro Canadian dollar chart, price is approaching its recent resistance zone. I got strong bearish candle after price hit the resistance zone, and I placed a sell trade here. Here price continued to move to upside, and I lost this trade also. Right now I have hit the stop loss and also maximum number of trade limit. In British pound Canadian dollar chart, I found an opportunity. I placed a sell trade here. Instead of risking 5%, I took a $60 trade. There was not even a proper confirmation to place a trade for downside. The trade was about to win, but in the very last moment, bias took over and I lost this trade also. And now, my account balance is dropped to $200. And this is where I completely lost my mind. Again in British pound Canadian dollar chart, Price was making small swings to upward direction, and now price was coming to its recently formed support zone. I placed a call trade here after the green candle broke this minor resistance level. Instead of risking small, I went all in and risked $200 on a single trade. I completely failed all the rules and risk management that I had to follow. At that time, I was not thinking about that I can lose all of this also. I only wanted to recover all the losses. There was no logic at that time. It was only the emotions. Somehow, luckily I won this trade. Yes, I made profit. But this was not trading, this was gambling. I broke risk management, trade limits, discipline, and everything. One lucky trade does not make this right. If I repeat this, I will lose everything. The system did not make money today, luck did, and that's dangerous. So I am closing today at $370 with around $92 of profit. Day 9 drops tomorrow, back to rules, no exception.